Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'm showing how to make tea light holders for Diwali. Take a cardboard and draw a design of a lotus and cut it. Next, take air dry clay and then roll with the help of your fingertips as shown. Now apply some Fevicol and then outline the design with the help of air dry clay. Apply some gliding paste on the air dry clay portion. Leave the gliding paste for 2 minutes. This is gold leaf imitation foil. After about 2 minutes of applying gliding paste, you can stick the gold foil as shown. Remove the excess gold foil with the help of dry brush. Paint the lotus with the help of neon pink acrylic color. This is how it looks after you complete it. Now moving on to the next method, take a cardboard and then cut it into round shape. These are mangalore cucumber seeds, or you can take muskmelon seeds and stick them one beside the other as shown. Now doing the second layer, you can do as many layers as you wish. I have done 5 layers here. At the center, I have used beach sand. If you don't have, then you can use papaya seeds in the center. If you wish to paint it, you can paint, or else leave it as is. I had this Pepsi container, so I thought to reuse it. Cut the Pepsi container in such a way that you get a rectangular piece. With the help of pencil, draw a teardrop design and cut them. Now apply gliding paste solution. After applying gliding paste, leave it for 2 minutes. These are mirror effect leaves. Take one sheet, stick them on the teardrop shape and then just peel it off. You get this textured effect which looks good. Arrange the petals as shown with the help of glue gun. This is how it looks after you complete it.